Hello friends, welcome to my channel. What's up guys? How is going on? Nowadays we are going through a very critical period, the biological disaster COVID-19. In this exceptionally bad situation, we have to know that how to protect ourselves and what are the myths about COVID-19. So today I am here with my video myths about COVID-19. Let's start today's video. The first myth is drinking hot water will kill virus. But actually the truth is hot water can give only symptomatic relief from symptoms like sore throat, cough and flu-like symptoms. But it can't kill virus. The second myth is being able to hold your breath for 10 seconds or more without coughing means you don't have coronavirus. But the truth is, it is not a diagnostic test of COVID-19. Due to dust or any other allergic condition or any other pathological condition, one can cough, sneeze or can feel difficulty while breathing. And one thing we should know that many cases are asymptomatic and development of symptoms may take up to 14 days after being affected. So this is just a myth and there is no truth behind this. Third myth is corona can be transmitted by mosquito bites. Let's know the truth. Although the researches are going on about COVID-19, according to WHO, it is transmitted by droplets of infected person. The main transmitted area is T-zone of our face. T-zone of our face is formed by our two eyes, nose and mouth. I have given the image also, you can see that. And hand sanitization and by avoiding to touch T-zone of our face, we can reduce the chances of getting affected by coronavirus. Another myth is COVID-19 patient will lose life. But the truth is corona is not a fatal disease. The death rate of corona is only 3%, while recovery rate is 96 to 97%. And as we know, many cases are asymptomatic also. So by taking proper health care and symptomatic treatment, one can get rid of COVID-19. The fifth myth is antibiotics can kill coronavirus. But actually the truth is antibiotics like azithromycin are given to COVID-19 patients, but antibiotics can't kill coronavirus. In COVID-19, immunity of the body decreases, so patients become more susceptible to other opportunistic diseases or infections. So, antibiotics are given to just prevent these opportunistic infections, but the antibiotics can't kill the coronavirus. That's all about today's video. If you liked it, please like, share and comment and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.